Meet Sarah, in the throes of holiday planning.
What to have for holiday festivities? Something that is fantastically delicious.
The usual fare just won't do. Time for a holiday culinary adventure.
Of course, a charcuterie board. But how to elevate it from ordinary to extraordinary.
What's the secret to transforming good to fantastically delicious? Yes.
Louisiana Pecan Company's Smoky Maple-Chili Candied Pecans, the hero of our holiday story.
Just like that, the board goes from mere appetizer to a festive masterpiece.
A holiday charcuterie board, made fantastically delicious.
It's not just a charcuterie board, it's a holiday sensation, thanks to a little pecan magic.
Holiday hosting? Nailed it.
Transform your holiday gatherings into fantastically delicious feasts with Louisiana Pecan Company.